In this video, I'm going to show you how to detect tempo in Cubase. Now to do this, first you want to go and select an audio clip, for example like this one over here, and then you want to go to the top left, click on Project, and then you want to go to Tempo Track, hover over it, and click on Tempo Detection. Now what's very important over here is that your clip has to be over 7 seconds long, because if it's not, you won't be able to actually use this tool. But when it is over 7 seconds, you can just go and make sure the name is correct over here. So for me it is, and then click on Analyze. Now it's going to start analyzing, and there we go. As you can see, for me there were multiple tempos, so I'm just going to hit the OK button. But of course that's going to show you your tempo, and of course you can then go and select any of these tempo adjustment functions. I'm going to do smooth tempo over here, and it's going to smoothen it for me. As you can see here, there we go. This tempo track has been actually smoothened just like that. Okay, so that's how to detect tempo. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.